So this is my old Mitsubishi Pajero farm truck, and this one, the preheating or the glowing for the diesel engine isn't working. So I tried with direct connection and everything, but it's not functioning. So probably the glow plugs are out. So I will now try to start it without any preheating and see how that works. We have full charged battery, ignition on. Let's try to start it. And as you can see, nothing is happening. So then I will show a little trick how to start it up when you have no working glow plugs on an old diesel. So the trick is pretty easy. Just take off this air filter. Take some gas. And one like this. Throw it in. As you can see, the gasoline works just like starter fluid. So if you don't have start gas, you can use normal gasoline for starting on cold starting on diesel engine. that was the farm truck. It's always a lot of fun. It always is when you only pay 3,000 crowns for a car. It's easy to have fun with it, and especially this one that has big tires, almost unstoppable. I have driven through mud, snow, anything with it.